Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Degen Kid. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a project that I'm mega bullish on. A project which I'm accumulating at the moment on this retracement and literally DCAing into. And that project is Casper. So they've got a lot of things going on. A smart contract platform, layer 1 blockchain, proof of stake. They're the blockchain that allows editations or adjustments to be made to smart contracts without having to take the whole blockchain down to deploy those changes. And I haven't really seen any other blockchain do that, and now they are being involved in the ZK world as well. We'll touch on that in just a moment, but just before that, let's take a look and see what the market's doing, because it's a terrible day out there in the crypto market space. As you can see here, we're down 6.4%, trading below $1 trillion again, overall crypto market cap. Bitcoin is down 6.9%, trading at about 20 grand, and ETH is now at 1.4k, down 7.5% in the last 24 hours. So really taking a hit, the top two cryptocurrencies. Rest of the market seems to be down massively as well. If I sort this by, there's only a few tokens that are up green in the last 24 hours, but the rest of them have literally been taking a hit. So Huobi 17% down, Dash is down 16%, Tron down 13%, IMX is down 13% as well. A lot of these tokens are projects that I'm mega bullish on. IMX, Mina, Singularity Net. So what I'm looking to do is obviously DCA at these prices, not going all in. There's so much FUD out there at the moment. I mean, with Silvergate announcing liquidations, and also with Ether as well being now going after, with the New York attorney alleging that Ether is a security, and there's this whole lawsuit going on with KuCoin as well. So there's a lot of fear in the market at the moment, and yeah, as we can see, that's kind of trickling down through these prices, and you can see it's a good opportunity to be buying projects that you want to be buying, and you know that you believe are a good, strong, long-term hold. But yeah, there's also that fear at the moment as well that the prices may drop even further. However, token that I wanted to talk to you guys about is Casper. So let's see what Casper's doing. Currently ranked 97 in terms of overall crypto market cap, down roughly 3.5% in the last 24 hours, trading at 3 cents or 3.5 cents. Circulating supply is 10 billion, of which total supply is 11 billion. So pretty much all the tokens now are out there. Market cap is relatively low, 380 million. Fully diluted valuation, 406 million. So again, not much difference between the fully diluted valuation and market cap, which is always a good sign to see. So yeah, it seems to be, in terms of a tokenomics perspective, all the tokens almost seem to be out there. So overall, that's pretty cool. All-time high was $1.33, and we're 97% off that value. So obviously, if we were to achieve all-time high again, which I truly believe we will do come the next bull run, whenever that bull run does come along. As I said guys, 2023 is the year for building. 24 is when we're going to really see those gains and those explosions happen with the bull run and so on, especially with the Bitcoin halving. So anyways, so all-time high $1.33. Do I think we'll get there again? I think we'll easily beat that with what they've got going on. And you can see here, last kind of 30 days, literally the token has been down 20%. So if you do believe in the project, it's obviously a good buy. But obviously guys, do your own research. Take a look at the website here. So future-proof blockchain, and so that's what they've classed themselves as, the future-proof blockchain, empowering operators, communities and businesses to connect with integrity and trust. Obviously the blockchain is used by a lot of enterprises at the moment as well. Simple, upgradable, decentralized. So that's what they've obviously set out to achieve. Upgradable being that you know, the network doesn't need to go down when they do upgrades to smart contracts. And I believe Casper is pretty much the only blockchain from what I've seen out there allows that functionality. So that's pretty bullish from my perspective. And here we can just see a little bit around tokenization, tokenized economy, decentralized fractionation, micro economies and community. So not really too sure what they're trying to say here. So 4 macro trends driving Casper develop. Oh, okay. So these areas are driving the development for Casper at the moment. Creator economy as well. So you've got the NFT, art, music, video games all coming to Casper and already building, and ownership rights and financial standards as well. So do not hesitate to start here. Start developing. It's easy to develop on. But I guess what I was really impressed by is if you take a look at their Twitter. Take a look at their Twitter and see how many great announcements they've got out there. Casper partnered with Google Cloud. So obviously that is huge. Google Cloud is now an official part of the Casper ecosystem. And if we keep going down here as well, you can see smart contracts are smarter, faster in Rust. So Rust is the, I believe, the programming language that they're using. And here you can read about that article, how to start building on Casper blockchain as well. And the other cool thing that they are looking to do here. So the work continues and there's no slowing down. The team at Casper is focusing efforts on integrating ZK, so ZK cryptography, into various dimensions of the Casper platform. So obviously that means that they'll be kind of entering that ZK space with the likes of Mina, with the likes of IMX and some of the other big players out there, Polygon as well. But yeah, I thought this was pretty interesting and pretty cool that they're now bringing zero knowledge as well over to Casper, or at least looking to develop on the idea, because that would definitely make Casper even more scalable, very quick, very effective as well, and probably potentially even like the #1 blockchain. But obviously that's still a bit of a long way away at the moment. Overall, as I was saying, you know, I'm mega bullish on Casper for the longer term. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I thought that announcement was pretty cool that they brought that out there. So bringing ZK to Casper as well, or at least looking to integrate and build zero knowledge into Casper. So yeah, that's kind of what they've got going on at the moment. And their Twitter, also you can see here, you know, a fairly decent number of followers and a lot of development, a lot of partnerships as well, which is always good to see from a project that you kind of believe in longer term. Take a look at the charts here on the 4 hourly. So I'm looking at this the 4 hourly versus USDT, and let's just bring this over. So you can see we've hit a level of resistance at 0.03. If we break that, we could drop down further to these levels, so 0.031, or even further down below that as well. So let's kind of have a look. So we could potentially even drop down further, yeah, to the 0.02 levels as well. So at 2 cents. However, at the moment, still kind of holding a support of 3 cents. And on the RSI, we had a bit of a reset. So we are going to the upside on the RSI. So hopefully we can see these candlesticks move upwards. Take a look at the EMAs, 50 EMA. We're below the 50 EMA now, below the 100 and below the 200 EMA. 50 EMA has just crossed below the 200 EMA. So that kind of indicates a death cross, and we can see the prices did drop down. However, we seem to be coming up slightly now. Pulling the Bollinger Bands here. We're trading at the lower end of the Bollinger Band. So generally when we hit the lower end of the Bollinger Band, we normally have a bit of a retracement to the middle at least. So we could potentially go up a little bit there. But hopefully we can hit one of these EMAs as a next level of resistance and then continue on to the upside. However, it really depends how the market plays out, because as I was saying, guys, there's a lot of FUD out there right now. But overall, guys, you know, Casper is a project that I'm mega bullish on, and I've made a few videos on it before as well. It's a great project from my perspective. Good team of developers that are developing behind it as well, and they are constantly building, and also now looking to explore that ZK area as well, and trying to integrate that into the Casper blockchain. So overall, mega bullish from my perspective. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think about Casper. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.